We have Shiner Bock honey beer bread today. Very rustic, nice heavy bread. Super easy with just these ingredients. Start out by preheating your oven to 375 and go ahead and spray your pan or pans, I'm making mini loaves here, with a butter spray. Now we're going to take some butter and we're going to melt it in the microwave. We're going to use that later, just melt it and then set it aside. Go ahead and add all of your dry ingredients. That's your flour, your cinnamon, and I went ahead and added the honey first. You can add that to it as well. It doesn't really matter what order as long as you do the beer last. This is a nice sweet bread. Like I said, it's rustic, it's a little heavy, but it is really, really good. So we've added the beer, and we're just going to stir it in, and we're going to make kind of a sticky dough, almost like a cookie dough type, maybe a little looser than that, a little softer. Now, I'm making many. You can put these made in a big loaf pan, but I'm spooning the bread dough in, and then I'm going to spread it out. And it should come to about halfway up the side of your pan. And try to get it as even as possible on the top. You're not going to get it perfectly even. Go ahead and paint half of that butter on the top. We're not going to use it all right now. We're just going to paint it across the top. Should use about half of it. Put it in your oven and bake it until the internal temperature reaches 200 degrees. That's, I don't know, right around 45 minutes for a single loaf. When you pull it out, go ahead and paint it with the rest of that butter. And that's it. Now, I made a cinnamon honey compound butter to go with it. It was so good. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for this wonderful rustic beer bread. Please like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I would love to have more people see what I can do. Y'all have a blessed day.